Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP. And once again, this is the one-day chart. We're sitting here at $2.29. We're waiting for XRP to find its bottom. And hopefully $2.29 is the bottom. But if you look at Bitcoin, you could see the same thing happening on the Bitcoin chart as well. The charts look identical. Now you're going to have people telling you, oh, it's happening because of this. The real reason this happened is because of this right here. President Trump says 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico will go forward. Soon as he starts talking about tariffs, right away the crypto space starts to dip in price. And that's what happened again today. Like I told you all along, politics weigh a major factor on your crypto investment. We've seen other things happen in the past. Right away, crypto reacts. It either plummets or it starts to take off. I'm just hoping this is the bottom for XRP. Uphold says it's not a dip, it's a discount. And it is. You know, when we were sitting above $3, I kept seeing people saying, I wish I would have bought under $3. I wish I would have bought close to $2 or even under $2. This is a great buying opportunity. XRP is not going to stay at these prices forever. And nobody knew this dip was even going to happen. Nobody could have called this dip. People always expect dips in crypto, but not like this. This came out of nowhere. And a lot of people are now saying expect a major reversal to happen. XRP price prediction February 25th says breakout to $3 is possible. And they're talking about the XRP ETF. And this goes in line with what Eleanor Tourette was saying earlier today. A notable journalist, XRP ETFs may receive a critical update or approvals at large by this Thursday. Now, if this was to happen, if they were to approve and go forward with the Grayscale XRP ETF, XRP would definitely start to take off in price. There's so many institutions on the sidelines just anxious to get into this cryptocurrency. And if that happens, there's a good chance XRP will lead us into alt season. Let's hope that happens as well. And if that happens on Thursday, that's going to be absolutely incredible. But like I said, things are always talked about in crypto. Until it actually happens, we don't know where XRP goes from here. XRP is leading altcoins with the highest record inflows among all altcoins last week. Continued investor interest. Capital surge following expectations of the SEC dropping the case against Ripple. You know, XRP is outperforming other cryptocurrencies right now, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum, and even Solana. I'm expecting a major surge on the price of XRP once we get an ETF in place. Now, we're not going to go to $10 overnight, but we could definitely get to a new all-time high very quick. Then we'll get gradual upward movement and go into price discovery. And that's another big thing that's going to happen. Once we hit price discovery, all of a sudden, the excitement level for XRP is going to go through the roof. This comes from Black Swan Capitalist. More than 90% of crypto investors lose money because they approach crypto like a casino. Investing in digital assets isn't just an art, it's a science. And I agree with that. You know, there's so many people out there that think the day they get into crypto, right away, it's a get-rich-quick scheme. If they don't make money within a few days, right away, they're selling. Or if a dip happens, they sell into the dip. You gotta stay patient through it if you want to make money in crypto. You know, you got to make it through the dips to get to the exciting times. I tell you that all the time because it's true. If you can't make it through these dips, you're going to sell way too soon and you're going to miss out on financial freedom. And anybody that bought in, even if they bought in above $3, if you don't sell, you don't lose anything. If you continue to hold XRP, you are still going to make money in this space. If you're new to XRP, all you got to do is nothing. And if you see a dip, buy the dip. Don't sell into the dip. Here's how XRP could hit $30,000 if Ripple handles $30 trillion in daily transactions. All of a sudden, everybody is a fan of the latest beta version of Grok. I see everybody in the XRP community talking about this because Grok now says that XRP can reach $30,000 if it's moving $30 trillion in daily transactions. We have a ways to go yet until that happens. The first thing we need to happen is regulations. That's going to clear the path forward. All of a sudden, we're going to get big announcements of this bank and this financial institution now working with RippleNet, incorporating XRP for ODL and cross-border payments. Then you start looking at tokenization, real-world assets coming to the XRP ledger. XRP is going to be moving all of that value as well. Then you look at everything else beyond that. Possible mass adoption soon after we get institutional adoption. But XRP is going to hit a lot of crazy price points along the way. And every time that it looks like the top is in, people are going to be telling you to sell, only to watch the price go higher. This is why you don't sell all of your XRP. There's nothing wrong with taking profit in this run, but I would never tell anyone to sell their entire bag. This cryptocurrency, you were early to it. I always said you had to have vision to see where it was going. If you can see it, you can see how XRP reaches some crazy price points in the near future. I'm thinking all of this is going to start to gain a lot of momentum in 2025. 2026 is going to be even bigger. 2027 will be bigger than 2026. And it will go on and on with gradual upward movement on the price of XRP. Can XRP price catalyze breakout to $5 amid active address spike and seller exhaustion? You know, there's so many new wallets for XRP. New investors are coming into this cryptocurrency. I don't know how many of them make it after they visit CryptoX, because CryptoX right now is crazy. It's filled with FUD, people wanting other people to sell their XRP and chase other shit. You got to stay focused. If you're new to crypto, you got to stay focused and you got to come up with a game plan. And I stress that. You know, most of the people that are in crypto right now are just waiting for the market to take off so they can sell their entire bag. If you continue to hold something like XRP, once the institutions get here, you'll never have to sell your crypto. You will get passive income. Institutions are going to open up those options for you because they want to make money in this space as well. They're going to find ways for you to invest your crypto and get monthly rewards. It's going to happen. And you will have an AI agent handling all of that for you. So you won't have to worry about dips. You won't have to worry about price changes. You will get your passive income every single month without any worries. And then you reinvest some of that passive income and you get a bigger bag and you get more passive income. And you keep doing that. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. And before you know it, you have generational wealth. But it takes time to build that out. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Sure, people made big money on meme coins, but guess what? Out of every one person that made a lot of money on meme coins, there's 100 other people that lost everything in meme coins. Invest in something that has a future and you won't lose money. The SEC continues to unwind enforcement actions against the crypto industry by closing the case with Robinhood with no action. What about the Ripple case? You know, now we got to wait and see if a judge will allow them to drop the $125 million settlement. It's always waiting on something when it comes to the Ripple versus SEC case. And Eleanor Terrett pointed out that Robinhood met with the SEC on February 19th, 2025, last week. And now they dropped the case against Robinhood. When is Ripple going to sit down with the SEC so we could finally wrap up this frivolous lawsuit and get it done and over with already? The day that lawsuit ends, I expect a major price spike on XRP. Digital Asset Investor says the Ripple case can end at any minute. It's been 4 years. I can't imagine being dumb enough not to hold XRP right now. This is why you don't sell. You know, back in 2020, December, I actually bought more XRP when this case started. And back then, everybody thought this case was going to be done and over with within 90 days. Other people said, no, it's going to last about a year, but then it's going to wrap up. Nobody back then would think that in 2025, we're still in this case with the SEC. And back then, the price went down to 17 cents. Think about that. It was sitting around 50 cents. It went down to 17 cents. And a lot of people were selling their XRP. Some never returning to this space ever again. If you held through that back then and you bought the dip back then, you are up on your investment. Anybody that was buying last year when XRP was around 50 cents, 2 for $1, you're up on your investment right now. You want to be way up on your investment? Just do nothing and continue holding XRP. So it looks like we're starting to go sideways now on the price of XRP at $2.30. I'm hoping this market turns around. If they approve that XRP ETF on Thursday, I'm expecting us to go well above $3 quickly. Most likely that will happen going into the weekend. And everybody will be talking about it. It's going to be a great day if that happens, because we'll start getting big announcements about how much money's flowing into that XRP ETF. And I expect all the other ones to get approved quickly after as well. But the market dipped because of the talk of tariffs. We just watched that happen a few weeks ago. Same thing happened. There was talk of tariffs and the price dipped. Again today. Politics play a major factor in your crypto investment. Real world events play a factor in your crypto investment. And that's why I always tell you, you got to look at what's going on in the real world. So if you look at your portfolio and it's down, then go and check the news, because usually you look at the news and you're like, okay, this is why the market is down today. But a lot of people in crypto, they think crypto is separate from the real world, and it's not. And it's becoming integrated with the real world more and more every single day. But like I always tell you, the only way you lose money in crypto is if you sell. If you continue to hold, you will make a lot of money off of your XRP. But until it happens, you got to stay patient, stay positive, and we will get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.